Good morning, my dear students. Today, I, Chitra Belwal from Art and Progressive School, welcomes you all to your English grammar class. So, my dear little kids, how are you all? I hope that you all must be fit, fine, and healthy, and must be taking well care of yourself, isn't it? So, my dear little kids, once again, I welcome you all to your English grammar class. So, little kids, in our previous class, we have already completed our lesson 3, that is noun. So, kids, today we will learn something more about noun, that too in the new chapter. So, today we are going to start a very new chapter, that is chapter 4, nouns, numbers. So, today we are going to learn about this chapter. And do you know, my dear children, as everything is having the number, similarly, nouns are also having the numbers. Can you tell me how many nouns are there in our English language? Can you tell me? Just think it over. So, dear kids, total there are two numbers in our English language. One is singular and the second one is plural. So, we can say that nouns, there are two nouns. Two is the number, okay? So, there are two nouns in our English language. So, today we are going to study about this only. Singular means one. When we are talking about one, okay? And noun, you know, noun is the name of any person, place, animal or thing. So, whenever we are talking about one person, one animal, one place or one thing, that is known as your singular noun. So, we can say that singular nouns refers to one person, one place, animal or thing. For example, my dear students, boy, house, apple, park, pencil, birds, notebook, etc. So, now the second one is plural noun. So, what is plural noun? Plural means bahut sare. When we are talking about many things, then it is known as plural noun. Okay, so what is plural noun? Plural noun refers to more than one person, place, animal or thing. So it means that when we are talking about two or more than two person, place, animal or thing, that is known as your plural noun. For example, my dear students, if I am talking about two boys, I am talking about two boys, two houses, two apples or more than two apples. Now, parks, pencils, birds, notebooks, etc. So, my dear little kids, you can see that the whatever words I have spoken just now, boys, houses, apples, parks, so all the above noun has been changed from singular to plural when we have simply added s to it. आपने notice किया होगा कि in the singular noun I have just said boy. Okay. Now in the plural noun what I have added? I have added s to it. मैंने क्या किया? मैंने I have just added s to the boy. मैंने boy में सिर्फ s join किया. Now it become boys. Similarly, apple, apples. So I have just simply added s to it. Then what it becomes? From singular, it becomes plural. पहले ये singular था. Now it has become plural. So there are total two numbers in our English language. That is, first one is singular and second one is plural. When we are talking about one person, place, animal, thing, that is known as singular noun. And when we are talking about two or more than two person, place, animal or thing, that is known as your plural noun. Students, now I will tell you how to form plural form. Suppose the things, any person, place, animal or thing, it has been given in singular form. Okay. Sometimes it may happen that it is given in singular form. Now, how to convert that singular form to plural form? So there are many rules. Many rules are there to convert from singular to plural. So now in this series, we will learn that how to change from singular to plural. So there are many rules against it. So we will learn one by one. So the first rule is most of the singular nouns form their plural by adding the letter S at the end. So my dear students, many times we used to change the noun by adding only S in the end of the singular noun. It means that बहुत सारे ऐसे nouns हैं जिसके लास्ट में हम केवल क्या लगाते हैं, S लगाते हैं. For example, there are many examples like girl. You can see there. This is one girl and these are girls. Okay. Now, second one, pencil and pencils. Okay. Flower, flowers. Book, books. So in all these words, there are many other words like this in which you can see that we have only added S in the end of the singular noun. हमने क्या किया है, सिर्फ singular noun के last में हमने S लगाया. Here also you can see girl, girls. We have only added S. हमने क्या लगाया, केवल S लगाया. Pencil, pencils, only S. Rest all other letters are like same. Okay. Flower, flowers. Book, books. Kids, now the rule number 2 is the nouns that end in. The noun that ends in CH, SH, S, double S, O or X. That means the noun which ends with CH, SH, S, double S, O or X. So, if the noun, it is in singular form and it is ending with these letters, then we add ES to show more than one. So, if we have to make it plural, from singular to plural, then if it is ending with all these letters, then we always add ES to the singular form. Okay. For example, my dear students, see the first one is, here you can see the first word is written bench, B-E-N-C-H. So here you are seeing that the last two letters, they are ending with CH. किससे end हो रहे? CH से. Okay. So if CH is at the end, then we always add ES to the singular form. तो हम singular form में क्या add कर देंगे? ES add कर देंगे. Okay. Now it has become benches. Now it has become benches. B-E-N-C-H-E-S. Okay. Now again see. Second one is B-U-S-S, bush. Bush means jhadi. So if we have to change it into the plural form, here what we are seeing that this bush word, it is ending with SH. So whenever it is ending with SH, कभी भी अगर ये SH से end हो रहा है, मैंने बोला है ना CH SH से end होगा, then we add ES to the singular form. तो हम singular form के पीछे क्या लगा देंगे? ES. Now it has become bushes. Bushes means झाड़ियाँ. Okay. Now see the third one. B-U-S. Bus. So in this also you are seeing that in the word bus, B-U-S, last letter is coming S. So whenever the last letter is S, so we always add ES to it. हम उसके पीछे क्या लगा देंगे? ES. So now it will become buses. B-U-S-E-S, buses. So bus is singular form and if we add ES to it, it will become plural form. Okay. Now coming towards the next word is class. CLASS. And in this also, in the word class, you are seeing that at the end, double S is coming. So here also double S is there. So when double S is there, then also we add ES to the singular form. हम singular form के पीछे क्या लगा देंगे? ES लगा देंगे. Now it has become classes. CLASSES, classes. Okay. Now see the next one, mango. In the word mango, you are seeing that it is ending with O. किससे end हो रहा है? O से. So whenever there is O in the end, again we will add ES to the singular form. Now it will become mangoes. Okay. Mango, mangoes. Now the last one is, according to the rule, this word is box. BOX, box. So again I have said that if there will be X in the end, then again we will add ES to the singular form. हम singular form में क्या add कर देंगे? ES add कर देंगे. So it will become boxes. One box. Then if many boxes are there, boxes. So let's recall once again. Bench, benches. Bush, bushes. Bus, buses. Class, classes. Mango, mangoes. Box, boxes. So my dear little kids, in this rule number 2, we have learned that if there will be CH, SH, single S, double S, O or X in the end, then we always add ES to the singular form. So my dear students, rule number 3 is, if there is compound noun. So do you understand what is compound noun? Compound noun means the word which has been made from two words. जो दो words को मिलके बना हो, that is known as compound noun. So whenever if there will be compound noun, then we add S. Then we add S to the main noun. If there is a compound noun, we add S only to the main noun. So let me tell you with the help of an example. Suppose, my dear students, here is an compound noun with for you all. I have written washing machine. Washing machine. So you are seeing that the term washing machine, it has been made from the two words washing plus machine. So if there will be compound noun, then we always add S to the main noun. हम main noun में हम क्या करेंगे? S add करेंगे. अब यहाँ पे noun क्या है? Washing तो एक verb है वैसे, and now machine, main noun क्या है इसमें? Machine है. So we will add S to the machine. So it will become washing machines. Okay. Now the second word given here is sister-in-law. Sister-in-law. Again in this you are seeing that the term sister-in-law, it has been made from two words. Sister-in-law. Okay. So these two words are combined together and they are making one new word, that is sister-in-law. So in this also, which is the main noun? Main noun is sister, na? So we will add S to the sister. Okay. So it will become from sister, it will become sisters-in-law. Sisters-in-law. Similarly, if there will be brother-in-law, so if we will have to make a plural form, then it will be brothers. Because the main noun is brother, so we will add plural, we will add S to it. It will become brothers-in-law. So have you understood? If there will be compound noun, then we will add S to the main noun. My dear little kids, now the rule number 4 is, if the singular noun ends in Y, it means if the singular noun is there and it ends with Y, अगर वो Y से क्या हो रहा है? End हो रहा है, and there is a consonant before Y, and before that word, if it is ending with Y and it is having consonant before it. अगर Y के आगे consonant है, consonant you understand. There are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Then except A, E, I, O, U, जितने भी letters हैं like B, C, F, G. So all these words, there are 21 consonant in our English alphabet. So except A, E, I, O, U, whichever letters are there, they all are known as consonant. So suppose if in the end of the noun Y word has been came, okay, Y आया है, and before Y there is an consonant और Y के ठीक आगे consonant है, then how we will change from singular to plural? In this case, how we will change? कैसे change करेंगे? Let's see. So what we will do? We will replace Y with I. हम क्या करेंगे? हम जो लास्ट में Y word है उसकी जगह we will put I over there and we will add ES और I के बाद हम क्या add कर देंगे? We will add ES. Okay, understood? So we will understand with the help of an example. See, little kids. Here the first word is written as city. C-I-T-Y, city. So in this, what you are seeing, we are seeing that at the end of the city word, Y has came. Last में क्या आया है? यहाँ देखिए, at the last Y has been came, and before Y, the word which letter is there? T. Y से ठीक पहले क्या है? T. And we all know T is a consonant. T क्या है? Consonant है. So how we will change it from singular to plural? What we will do? We in place of Y, we will put I. हम Y की जगह हम क्या लगा देंगे? I. So and we will add ES at the end, and at the last we will add ES. So what it will become? C-I-T-I-E-S. Have you got the point? Now let's understand the second one, body. The term body, B-O-D-Y, body. Here also you are seeing that at the last what is coming? Yes, Y is coming at the last. और Y से पहले क्या आ रहा है? D. B-O-D-Y, body में D आ रहा है. So again it is a consonant. So what we will do? We will change Y to I. हम Y को किस में change कर देंगे? I में use कर देंगे, change कर देंगे, and we will add ES to it. Okay, so it will become B-O-D-I-E-S, bodies. City, cities. Body, bodies. Similarly, here also you can see baby, babies. Lady, ladies. In this also, in both the cases, you are seeing that Y is coming at the end. Last में क्या आ रहा है? Y आ रहा है. And at the last, you are seeing in the third one, B is before Y. Y के पहले B है. And here, D is before Y. Second वाले में Y से पहले क्या है? D है. So in this, we will convert Y into I. इनमें हम Y को हम I में convert करेंगे and we will add ES. So what it will become? It will become baby का babies and lady का ladies. So I hope so that you have understood and got this point. Kids, now in the rule number 4, the B part is that if the singular noun that ends in Y, if the noun is given and it is ending with Y and there is a vowel before Y, and if there is vowel before Y, then how to change it from singular to plural form? What we will do? We will simply add S to it. Okay, understood? In the previous one, we have studied that if Y is at the end and consonant is there before that, so what we used to do? We used to add I and ES. Okay, now in this, what we used to do? If there is Y in the end and before Y, there is vowel. अगर Y है और Y से पहले vowel है, means A-E-I-O-U है, then to change into plural form, we only put S to it. हम क्या add करेंगे उसमें? केवल S use करेंगे, S add करेंगे, so it will become plural. So let's understand this rule with the help of an example. So here what you are seeing, The term is valley. V-A-L-L-E-Y. In this, what you are seeing that Y is there at the end. Last में क्या है? Y है और Y से ठीक पहले क्या है? Vowel है. Vowel कौन सा है? Here the vowel is there. So अगर vowel Y से पहले vowel है, so what we will do to convert into plural form? हम plural form में लाने के लिए क्या करेंगे? We will simply add S. हम क्या लगा देंगे? S लगा देंगे. So it will become valleys. Okay. Now the second one is day. D-A-Y. In this, it is ending with Y. Y से end हो रहा है और उसके पहले vowel कौन सा है? A है. So it will become days. हम simple क्या add करेंगे? S add कर देंगे. Okay. Now see the third one. Monkey. Monkey. Last में Y है and before Y there is vowel E. So what we will do? We will simply add S to it. So it will become monkeys. So I hope you have understood these 4 rules. Okay. So now we will do one exercise that you will do in your books. Okay. So let's understand that exercise. Now dear students, we will do one exercise in this. What you have to do? Change singular to plural noun and plural to singular noun. So both the nouns has been given to you, singular also, plural also. You have to change. Okay. So the first one is ray. So in this word ray, what you are seeing that Y is coming at the end and vowel is there. Y के आगे क्या है? Vowel है. So I have told you that if there is Y at the end and vowel before that, so what we used to do? We used to add S. हम क्या add करते हैं? S. So what will it will become? Rays. R-A-Y-S. Rays. Okay. Similarly, in this you are seeing the next word is baby. Y is at the end and before Y there is B. Y से पहले क्या है? B है. So it means there is consonant. So अगर consonant होता है तो क्या add होता है? Y की जगह I आता है और उसके पीछे ES add हो जाता है. So ये क्या बन जाएगा? Babies. B-A-B-I-E-S. Babies. Okay. Now similarly see the third one. It is also same like this. Same rule will be followed because Y is there at the end and before Y there is consonant. So यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? Theories. T-H-E-O-R-I-E-S. ठीक है? Y की जगह I add हो जाएगा. Now here it is punch. So if it is in the word punch, CH is there at the end. So I have told you that if CH will be there, then we will add ES to the singular noun. हम ES लगा देंगे singular noun में. So it will become punch. Punches. Okay. What it will become? Punches. Now again, O is there at the end. Hero के बाद क्या हो जाएगा? If O is there at the end, so it will become heroes. Again, ES will be added. Okay. Now see the sixth one, my dear student. Sixth one is pianos. That means this noun, it has been given in the plural form. You have to change from plural to singular. So what will it become? It will become pianos का क्या होगा? Piano. P-I-A-N-O. Piano. Okay. Right. Now foxes. Many foxes are there. So if we have to make it singular form, then it will become fox. Right. Now similarly, eighth one is pastries. So many pastries are there, and when we are talking about one, then it will become pastry. So the spelling of pastry is P-A-S-T-R-Y. So my dear student, in this exercise, we have done only that noun, which rules we have learned in this video. Next rules we will learn in the next session, next video. So I hope you have understood all these 4 rules very well. So please read from your book also and understand all the rules nicely, how to convert singular to plural. So meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Stay healthy, stay safe.